Hello YouTubers, Merry Christmas and welcome to day 8 of season 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas Cars diecasts. Today we're going to take a look at Carstin Ace Dillon, the next-gen sidewallshine piston cup racer number 3 from the NASCAR themed diecast lineup. Before we get right into the review and the retrospective, let's start with the unboxing first. Here we've got the checker flag background, the Cars logo, new for 2024, the NASCAR styled Lightning McQueen artwork, Carstin Ace Dillon's diecast and pit stop barriers sealed in, NASCAR logo which is copyrighted, his name Carstin Ace Dillon, the Mattel logo, the metal logo, and on the back we've got Carstin Ace Dillon himself, the checker flag logo, and the Cars logo, the NASCAR logo, 2023 Mattel, the Mattel logo, empowering the next generation through play, Disney/Pixar, www.disney.com/cars. And now, without any further ado, let's dig right into the unboxing and the retrospective. Here we have Carstin Ace Dillon all opened up and out of the package. Carstin Ace Dillon is a next-gen piston cup racer who currently races for the sidewallshine team in the piston cup, but with the number 3. He is named after the 2018 Daytona 500 winner Austindillon, who currently drives the number 3 Chevy Camaro for Richard Childress Racing. He also replaced the previous sidewallshine racer, Slider Petrolsky, and shares the same number with Dale the Intimidator Earnhardt Sr. While he didn't appear in Cars 3, he was released as part of Pixar and Mattel's collaboration with NASCAR. And during his diecast releases, he was released twice in 2021 and 2024. And now, without any further ado, let's dig right into the review. Here we've got his grumpy facial expression, his gold-yellow paintwork, black grille, headlights, gold eyelids, and on the hood from top to bottom we have a gold background with the golden black background and the red border line in between, and the sidewallshine logo. And on the top, a white number 3, no name signature. And on both sides, we've got the red rims on the black wall next-gen Lightyear racing tires and the gold, black, and red borderline background. White number 3, gas cap, sidewallshine logo, few contingency logos saying piston cup, piston cup, combustor, carbon cyber, and center G. Red arrow at the bottom indicating a pity to lift him up. And on the spoiler, we've got the black background and the sidewallshine logo. And on the back, we've got the sidewallshine logo in the middle, working red taillights. And then white number 3. The sidewallshine text, although it is hard to see, and the gold rookie stripes implying that he's a rookie. On the undercarriage it says made in Vietnam, Disney/Pixar, Mattel. And now for his pit stop barrier, we've got the black background and with the yellow and red border lines and the white number 3 and nothing else on the back. And that is it. Oops. Now let's pull up some of the other next-gen piston cup racers that share his body mold. We have Flipped Over, Richie Gunzit, Conrad Camber, Barry DePedal, Herb Kerbler, Eric Breaker, Michael Rodor, JP Drive, Cam Spinner, Steve Slick LePage, George Newen, Rev Rodage, Will Rush, Paul Conrev, and Kurt. And Danny Swervez. Oops. Now let's pull up some. And for the other NASCAR Cameo Next Gens, we have Bubba Wheelhouse, Ryan Inside Laney, Chase Ray Slot, and Gogo Logano. And the other Sidewallshine racer, Slider Petrolski. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which Sidewallshine racers are favored? For me, I'm going to say Carstin Ace Dillon because I'm a NASCAR fan. Which NASCAR Cameo Next Gen racers are favored? For me, mine's Chase Race Slot, personally. And which Next Gen racer sharing his body mold is your favorite? For me, I'm going to say Danny Swervez. Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below and on the voting poll in the community tab. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for day 9 tomorrow. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas. Goodbye now.